Zenith watches are a symbol of innovation and precision, boasting a rich heritage of over 150 years. The Swiss luxury brand is known for its mechanical, watchmaking expertise and high-frequency movements. Zenith timepieces are highly sought after by collectors and enthusiasts around the world, thanks to their exceptional craftsmanship and distinctive designs. With a Zenith watch on your wrist, you can be assured of accuracy, reliability, and timeless style. I included all the link in video description below. Without further ado, let's get started. Number 6. Zenith Defi ZG. Revolutionary timepiece that showcases the brand's technical, expertise, and aesthetic vision. Featuring a gyroscopic gravity control module, the watch ensures that its balance wheel remains horizontal regardless of the position of the wearer's wrist. This results in exceptional precision and accuracy, as well as a unique visual experience. The skeletonized dial and case design, combined with the futuristic materials and finishes, give the watch a bold and modern look that's sure to turn heads. The Zenith Defi ZG is a true icon of contemporary horology, pushing the boundaries of what's possible in watchmaking. Number 5. Zenith Pilot Montre Darf Type 20. Tribute to the aviation industry and the pioneer pilots of the early 20th century. This watch features a large 45mm case, a domed sapphire crystal, and an oversized crown, making it easy to handle even with gloves on. The black dial with Arabic numerals is inspired by vintage aircraft instruments, and the luminescent coating ensures easy reading in low light conditions. Powered by the legendary Primero automatic movement, this watch is both accurate and reliable. The Zenith Pilot Montre Darf Type 20 is a stylish and functional timepiece for aviation enthusiasts and watch collectors alike. Number 4. Zenith Chronomaster Original Pink. Stunning timepiece that is sure to turn heads. With a sleek and stylish design, this watch features a 38mm stainless steel case and a striking pink dial with silver-toned hands and hour markers. The dial also includes 3 sub-dials for measuring elapsed time, and the watch is powered by a high-precision automatic movement. The brown leather strap is the perfect finishing touch, giving the watch a classic and timeless look. Whether you're looking for a watch to wear every day or a special occasion, the Zenith Chronomaster Original Pink is a great choice. Number 3. Zenith Defi Extreme FELIPE PANTONE. Breathtaking timepiece that is a true work of art. Designed in collaboration with the renowned artist FELIPE PANTONE, this watch boasts a colorful geometric pattern that is both futuristic and timeless. The case is made from ultra-lightweight titanium and features a skeleton dial that showcases the intricate inner workings of the watch. The watch is powered by Zenith's high-precision Primero 9004 automatic movement, which provides exceptional accuracy and reliability. With its bold design and cutting-edge technology, the Zenith Defi Extreme FELIPE PANTONE is a watch that is sure to turn heads. Number 2. Zenith Chronomaster Revival A384 Shadow. Tribute to the original A384 from the 1960s, updated with a modern twist. The 37mm stainless steel case is coated with a black DLC coating, creating a sleek and contemporary look. The chronograph features a tricolor sub-dial layout with silver for the hour and minute counters, blue for the chronograph, seconds hand, and black for the running seconds. The watch is powered by the Primero 400 automatic movement, which provides a power reserve of up to 50 hours. This limited edition timepiece is a must-have for vintage watch enthusiasts and modern horology fans alike. Number 1. Zenith Defi Revival A3642. Stunning tribute to the 1960s with its retro design and modern technology. The watch features a 37mm brushed titanium case, a domed sapphire crystal, and a black dial with white and orange accents. It is powered by the Zenith Primero 400 automatic movement, which has a high frequency of 36,000 vibrations per hour and a power reserve of 50 hours. The watch comes with a black rubber strap and an additional brown calfskin leather strap, both equipped with a titanium